Okay, you've now finished your idea sheet where you came up with a bunch of ideas of pendants and earrings and rings and whatnot. That's just to get the ideas going, right? Just like in our any of our other projects, you start off with a big idea concept, and then you're bringing your ideas down and kind of like funneling them down. So in this Lost Wax Casting design sheet number 1, what you're going to do is you're going to take your idea sheet you completed and possibly new ideas and come up with 3 different projects you could create. So these could be rings, pendants, or a mixture of either one, right? It could be a 1 pendant and 2 rings, or 2 rings and 1 pendant, or cufflinks, whatever it is. But the object is to start narrowing your vision. You will be graded on the details of your drawing, so take as much time as you need. So in idea 1, you're going to explain your idea, you're going to draw it, and then explain it. So take up the space you need, draw it with as much detail as you can, so that you know, okay, I want this to be carved down. And although we haven't gone into carving, what's going to be relieved and what's not going to be relieved, what's going to be higher than some areas, what's going to be carved down to a 1/4 of an inch, whatever it is, that's what you're going to put. And you're going to put idea 1, 2, and 3. You're going to take a picture, you're going to crop out what you don't need, and you're going to submit it here, in this project. If you have any questions, let me know.